Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best battery jump starter with air compressor you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many battery jump starter with air compressor and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each battery jump starter with air compressor so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a battery jump starter with air compressor. First, check the power capacity or peak amps, as this determines whether it can start your vehicle's engine efficiently. Next, consider the air compressor's pressure rating, which affects how quickly it can inflate tires or other items. Look for safety features like reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, and spark-proof clamps to ensure safe use. Portability and build quality also matter, so choose a compact design with a durable casing. Additional features such as LED lights, USB ports, or digital displays can add convenience during emergencies. Finally, always check customer reviews and warranty coverage to ensure reliability and long-term value. Choosing the right model means you'll be prepared for roadside emergencies anytime. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.